Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today we are doing a recycling project. We are going to be making a potato planter out of these recyclable bags. You take the cardboard pieces, you put them inside the bag just to create some structure. Don't worry about the cardboard, it will decompose with time. From there you take your potting soil. You fill up the bag almost to the top. And then you will take your sprouted potatoes. Don't use the whole potato, save some for your fries. You only need the sprouted part. This is what you can expect after a week. Keep it in a semi-shaded area. Remember to water it as needed. And then this was after 2 weeks. Exactly 20 days later, and this is what it looks like. And there you have it. There's your potatoes in your DIY grow bag. Thank you for watching. Remember to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.